This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, then Realme or Google Backup. Sign into the account you plan to use. You choose cloud or local storage. Cloud for automatic off-site copies, local for faster restores. Once logged in, make sure app data, contacts, photos, and SMS are selected. Tap Backup Now. The phone will queue files and upload them. This immediate step creates your baseline copy. Once the initial backup starts, focus on categories. Apps, messages, photos, and system settings. You want a full restore later. Use Realme's built-in backup for firmware-aware settings or Google Drive for cross-brand restores. Enable automatic scheduled backups to avoid manual repeats. If you need a device image, use a local backup to an SD card or PC. Make sure to monitor progress, keep the phone charging, and stop background downloads so uploads complete without errors. You finish by verifying the backup. Open Settings and confirm the completion time and item counts. This proves integrity. Then export key items like contacts as a VCF and photos as a ZIP to a PC or SD card for redundancy. If you plan to reset or switch phones, perform a test restore on a secondary device. If a restore fails, reboot the phone, confirm account sync is active, reconnect Wi-Fi, and retry. That often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.